Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and today we have Boxycharm. Yes, this is the Boxycharm base box. It is now $27.99 plus tax, and yeah, they went up. You get 5 full-size beauty products. It's full size, not sample size like my ipsy, which hasn't even shipped yet, but it is what it is. Okay, I got this like in the middle of the month. It's the middle of the month. Let's open this. My choice item, I only saw two variations. One is a great variation with a bronzer that I cannot use, but still great variation that I really would like. Then one is like a horrible variation where it's just like majority skincare and like makeup that I don't want. And the reason why I chose this product was because the other one was Wander Beauty, and then the other one was a NARS blush that is too light for me, and I use the Orgasm X one, not just regular Orgasm. I use the Orgasm X for deeper complexion. So because of that, I chose what I chose. And Wander Beauty, I tried their eyeshadows. Trust and believe me, I tried their eyeshadows. I tried their palettes. They never have a deep enough shade for me. That dark brown does look deep enough, but I was just like, is it that deep? Is it really? Like, do I really want to take that chance? And also, I needed a hydrating serum. So let's just get up in this. This is what it looks like. It says Hello Charmer, and you can see my choice item right here, and it's black, and it says Boxycharm. And this box is really tiny. Like, when I say tiny, I mean like it's like the early days tiny, like when it was $21. Who remember when they were just $21 a month, and then they went to $25, and then they went now to $27.99. Which, let me go on my freaking thing to see how much I really paid for this, because it also is with tax. Anyways, this is the theme for this month, refresh, and then it is C22, that's 2022-01, that's January 52. So I got BA. So I got variation 52 BA. So yeah, the first thing we have in the box is Farmacy Feel Good Hyaluronic Acid Plump Serum, which is $44. This is my choice item. A skin plumping microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. Okay, it has a little honeycomb here. Let me just get my scissor out so I can open this. It has like, I guess that's from the box, the Boxycharm box, but it kind of looks dirty. It says farmer cultivated, scientific, activated, and that's what it says right here. And then it says paraben free, formaldehyde free. Synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. So that all on the side. It says how to use. Apply to clear skin AM and PM. So it's not just an AM serum or a PM serum. And then this is what it looks like coming out. And this has the 12-month jar. I am not going to use this yet, even though I need a hydrating serum in the winter time. You need it. I'm not going to do it because I am testing out a new serum And I still have that other serum that I got from Boxycharm. So, yep, we got serum right there. That's the first product. Hold up. Let me see what it is. What it wants. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Let me see. Okay. Ipsy, no. Boxy. I paid $30.47. It's $27.99, right? $27.99. After tax is $30.47. $27.99 is how much I paid when it was $25 and tax. So now I gotta pay $30 and some change. $30.50 basically. This better be worth it. That's what I say. This better be worth it. The next product we have here is Avant. Ooh, I love Avant. It's like high-end skincare. Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. We got a lip serum. You guys should know by now. I love me some lip serum. I love me some lip balm. Actually, I got lip gloss on right now. I love lip gloss. Love lip oil, especially during the winter time because my lips be chapped. It needs some healing. So this retails for $122. I just told you it's expensive skincare. It's not even made in the US. I think it's made in Australia. I don't know. No, I think it's the UK. No. Made in the EU. Europe. All I know is that it's $122. Yeah, I just used my key when I could have just used my thing. Wow, everybody got this already, but I didn't get this. And I'm like really. Oh, it has a wand and everything. I'm gonna test this out if it's good or not. Oh, it's in hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, and mint. So it's like mint flavored. I just want to smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. I thought it would be mint. I thought it would be minty. But I can't wait to try this. I cannot wait to try this. I'm starting to like this, the box, because it's like, I never saw anybody got this. I saw them get the Item Beauty lip oil, but I didn't see them get that. Okay. St. Luxe brow gel. I never got this. I wanted to get this, but I didn't get it in another box. So they just giving me old stuff. I see you, Boxycharm, giving me old stuff that I freaking hearted, that I wanted. Because you know you can always put the fave stuff. I see you, and you still have backups of it. I see you. And I actually hearted it, and I actually wanted it, and I had it in my cart a couple of times when they had it on Boxycharm, like, was it Drop Shop, whatever it is now. I don't know what it is now, but I had it when it was on Boxycharm add-ons. Oh my gosh. Okay. St. Luxe Beauty Brow Gel, $22. Brow down to the brows. Oh, it says bow down to the brows. Like, brow down to the green. This brow gel glides on effortlessly. There we go. Can't talk for a minute. Leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise replacement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residual when dry. So it's like it's no extra product when it dries. Cool. I kind of want to open it, but then I'm like, because I already got a brow gel open. Got my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel open. Try and get that out. Have that little thing. It has just regular black packaging. $22 is like the normal. That's how much I pay for a full size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. So that's something. What does it say? Didn't I just tell you I don't like this brand? This is, I didn't pick Wonder Beauty. And me not picking Wonder Beauty, I still get Wonder Beauty. How is that fair? I didn't pick Wonder Beauty. I really think I know how this looks. And I don't think it works for me. I think only the highlight shade will work for me. I don't think it's a deep enough shade for me on this palette. But I'm going to just show you what it looks like. I love the packaging. This was in 2020 and this was last year. I remember this when it came out, when Laura actually still did Boxycharm unboxings. And she was like that this is a great travel palette even though we're not really traveling that much. I remember that. It comes with a mirror. And this is what the shades look like. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you like this. That's what the shades look like. I'm not taking the plastic off. I'm not doing it. Cause I think I'm gonna sell this. I mean, even though that highlight looking really beautiful, but I can't keep a palette for a highlight. And that road trip shade, oh, and the yacht shade, oh. But I have shades like that, and I like road trip. I don't want to just keep it for, and I cannot use that pink tone of a blush. I probably could pull it off, but it's not my cup of tea. So I'm gonna put this on my mercari and my poshmark, whichever one hits it up first. That's the one that gets it. I will leave both of the links down below if you have mercari or poshmark. You know, some people have poshmark but not mercari, and some people have mercari but not poshmark. So yeah. Okay, that was a waste. Wait, how much was that? That's $42. $42 for that. I don't like Wonder Beauty, so I can't say nothing. Yes, I wanted this last month. I was so mad I didn't get this last month that I actually got a eyeliner from ColourPop. If you saw my my thing just in the beginning of the month, because I needed a new eyeliner. I got a new eyeliner to try. This is the Luna Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner from Seraphine Botanicals. I actually got a cheek palette from them last month, and they're not my skin complexion friendly. But I heard that this is a great eyeliner, and I really want to try this. Retails for $18. I am excited. I'm excited about my box. I got a palette, which is good. I mean, I can't use it fully. I want to use it. I can use the blush shade as a deeper shade for my outer corner. I can make it work if I wanted to make it work, but I don't like Wonder Beauty as a brand. I like their mascara. Don't like their lipsticks. I like their eyeliner. I like their eye masks. Don't like their eyeshadow formula palettes. Like, I don't like that. They don't have a shade for me in their foundation. And it's just, no. So, yeah. I don't like this. Again, it's preference. They wouldn't know that I don't like that type of brand. They wouldn't know that I don't like it. They would know after I review this stuff. So, I basically got 4 good products out of 5. And that is not bad, because I thought I was not going to like any. Okay, I thought I wasn't going to like any at all. Alright, so let's put all this together in a calendar and a calculator. Let's put it. It's going to be a high box with that lip serum. That's $122. 42 plus 44 plus 18. My box with the 4 items that I will actually use retails for $226. But plus, wait, no, that's what, It actually retails for $206 with the 4 items. With the Wander Beauty palette, it retails for $248. So again, $248 for this whole box, and I paid $30. So I'm not mad about what I paid for the box, because I actually am happy with all the products that I got. And then $206 versus $30 with the 4 products that I'm happy with. And yeah, I needed another eyeliner. I would have bought another eyeliner eventually after I tried the ColourPop, if I liked it or not. And I would have bought another clear brow gel. Like, this is all stuff that I would have bought again. And I would have bought a lip serum. I literally just bought a lip balm from Tatcha. Like, it's crazy. And then the serum, like, these are stuff that I would actually buy and go in store and buy. Like, these are actually stuff that I would actually buy in store. So I am actually not upset that I paid $30 for this. And this also, we all know how I feel about that. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. A video right here, head right here. Go check it out. And if you want to see more of my Boxycharm unboxings, it is all down in the playlist down below. You already know that is that unboxing playlist that this video is in, and you gotta shake your shoulders. Video right here and here, and then you got the head right here. So go subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, go live your life. Yeah, be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Kayla B on the mic. Kayla Beauty on the mic. Kayla B on the mic. Kayla B on the mic. I'm done. Deuces.